Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raisa Naushin and this is the month of October, which means this is Halloween month. But guess what happened? I got the virus this month. Yeah, but not to worry, I recovered. I tested myself day before yesterday and it came out negative, so that's great news. And yeah, that's the reason why I'm here talking to you guys, making this video. I know I look really crazy because I just have my brows done and nothing else. So let's get the makeup look started. So at first I'm going to be using the Boots Traditional Skincare Cream and I'm going to moisturize my skin with it. That's my bedtime alarm, and which means it's 12 a.m. and I just started filming. Good job, Raisa, good job. Now I'm going to color correct my face and I'm going to be using my all-time favorite combo, the Kryolan Paint Stick in the shade FS22 and Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Orange. Trust me guys, I had a lot of plans for this Halloween and also a lot of other videos, but I couldn't do it because I got the virus. I guess I realized that I got the virus in 13th of October or something. So yeah, but thankfully I recovered quite fast because it took me around 1 week to 10 days to recover. So that was really good because I didn't have to suffer for a long time. But the thing is, I didn't really get any fever or really sick when I got affected by the virus. But what happened afterwards, like, I don't know what to call it, but after you recover, the side effects are really bad. My hair is falling like crazy. I feel really tired all the freaking time. If you have fought this virus, then feel free to share your your experiences in the comment section down below. I would like to know. Now it's time for foundation and I'm going to be using the Maybelline 24-hour full coverage superstay foundation, and I'm mixing two shades because as I'm going to turn myself into a vampire, so usually vampires have pretty pale skin. That's why I'm going to be using mixing a lighter shades to make myself look a little bit more pale, I guess. So let's do it. I took mostly the dark shade and I'm mixing a little bit of the lighter shade. I'm applying it all over the face with a brush and then I'm going to blend it out with a beauty blender. In this new normal life, I have been really missing my university campus because I'm a very outgoing person and my classes are still online and I don't really enjoy online classes. So yeah, what is the thing you guys are missing the most during this new normal? I know it's going differently for a lot of people and I know for a fact that a lot of people are really liking this new time, like new normal kind of time during this pandemic, because they don't really have to step outside of their home. But once again, I'm a very outgoing person and I cannot stay at home for a long time. Now it's time for concealer and I will be using the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow and Light Yellow. So lately I have been watching a lot of videos by Bailey Sarian. If you don't, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her name right, but if you don't know her, she's a makeup artist. She's a beauty YouTuber and every Monday she uploads an episode of murder, mystery and makeup. So basically in these episodes, she does her makeup while talking about a true crime story. It's usually about murder and serial killers and what led them to be this way. So it's really interesting and I'm a girl who is really interested in true crime, and trust me, if I was not living in Bangladesh, I would have been probably a crime reporter because I'm really intrigued by these things. But yeah, if I do this in Bangladesh or if I do something like Bailey in Bangladesh, like featuring Bangladeshi cases, I'm pretty sure you guys will see it in the news that Raisa Naushin gum hoye giyeche. So I don't want that. Alright, so now I'm going to set my face with the Absolute New York HD Flawless Powder, and I'm using the shades Nude and Desert Sand. I like to set my face with a compact powder before setting it with the loose powder because I think it adds more coverage and it makes my base look a lot more flawless, I think. Now I'm going to be doing one of my eyes off camera and I will be right back. So one of my eye look is done. I went with a very dark black and brown smoky eye. So let's do that on this side. So for the eye makeup, at first I'm taking the Morphe 24A Artist Fast palette and I'm going to be taking this dark brown and I'm going to apply it on my inner and outer corners of my eyes. Just pack it, you don't need to blend it yet, just keep packing. Now before doing any of the blending, take a bit of loose powder and then carve it out. Now taking the shade Security, I'm going to blend those shades. I'm taking the shade All Access and I'm applying it on my brow bone. Now I'm going to be taking the Focallure liquid eyeshadow in the shade Sullen and I'm applying it all over the eyelid. Blend it out a little with a brush. I'm taking the shade Invite Only and I'm applying it all over the eyelid. I'm mostly focusing this on the middle part. Now I'm taking the Morphe and Kathleen Lights palette and I'm taking this grey color and I'm applying it a little bit on the crease. Going back to the shade All Access to highlight my inner corners. Now I'm going to take the Inglot gel eyeliner in the shade 77. It's basically their pure black eyeliner. Guys, this is no joke, this is the best eyeliner I have ever used in my entire life. If you use this with their Duraline, if you mix a little bit of the Duraline with this eyeliner, it gets waterproof, so it's perfect if you're a professional makeup artist and you are doing makeup on brides because you want the eyeliner to be waterproof. So definitely try this out. By the way, this is not sponsored. And I'm also applying it on my waterline. Now taking a smudging brush, I'm smudging out the lower lash line. And I'm taking some of that gel eyeliner. I'm packing it on the outer corners and then on the inner socket. Now I'm adding some Technic Megalash mascara. Now I'm adding some lashes. If you're wondering, these are from Pretty Fly. I'm not exactly sure about the style. So yeah. While the lash glue is drying, I'm going to start with my face makeup. At first I'm going to be contouring my face with the Technic contour kit in the shade Mocha. And don't worry, I'm going to blend this out later. And I'm going to dip in a tiny bit on this grey shade from the Morphe Kathleen Lights palette because it's too warm and I want my face to look really cool toned. I'm taking the W7 Triple Treat blusher and I'm taking this more darker shade and I'm mostly going to focus this on the outer part of my face, not the apples. Now I will be applying the Pudaier Dewy Finish Setting Spray before applying the highlighter. And for the highlight, I'm going to be using a very cool tone highlighter, and this is the Anastasia highlighter in the shade Snowflake. Now I will be taking this face paint palette that I got from a page. I'm not sure about the name. I will list the name here. So this is a oil based face paint, and I'm going to use this to draw a drop of blood around the sides of my mouth. Now I will be using their fake blood. This product of theirs is really good. This looks super realistic and I love this. Let me show you guys. This is what the blood looks like. See that? That is super realistic. I am just applying a little bit of red gloss on top. And by the way, I have my wig on and I have my headpiece on. See that? I made that myself. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! I love you all.